How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and this is going to be my first update on the small scale build that Brian, Mr. BG, and I are putting on. And since the last update where I updated the list, guys, I need to add a few more names to it. Alright, you can see the list right here. How many people we got on here? Alright, the ones in the darker colors here are the ones that I'm adding to it. Number 68, Sam Freeman. Number 69, Hobby Time with Papa Dan. Let's see, 70 is Leaky Goalie 44. 71 is Wayne up at True North Models. Number 72 is James at Morse Customs Model Shop. And 73 is Mr. Tim Brown at Throttle Power. And then 74 is Scale Model Customs Dave. Thank you guys for joining in. Alright, as of right now, this is the updated list. And it seems like every time I get on there, somebody else is jumping in. And that's a good thing. So let's see how many we can get. Alright. So as y'all know, I am building this PYRO. Hey, before I even get started, I gotta thank all my subscribers, guys. All my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, it don't cost you nothing. If it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't have a channel. Alright, with that being said, this is what I'm building. It's the PYRO DUESENBERG SSJ Roadster Tabletop Classics. That's the series they had back then, 132 scale. And this kit here is from 1966. You can see PYRO Plastics, PYRO Park, Union, New Jersey. Alright, that tells about the old mighty doozy. Alright, let me get this out of the way and show y'all what I've gotten done. Which ain't a lot, but what I've gotten done so far is I'm trying to get rid of the seam lines here. I put in some white plastic here, still needs to be shaped a little bit better, but that was just all open, so you could see through to the inside of the cabin area there, which wasn't good. Alright, then I glued this side of the hood because it's going to stay in position, and then I glued this hood together, which is in 4 parts right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it will go on here like this, just like that. Yeah, if I can get it to focus, guys. And then this car, well, the focus on it's not very good. This car is going to be painted a little bit darker gray, and then it's going to be a light gray. So we've gotten that done so far. Let's see. There's really not a lot on here other than I glued the fenders onto here. I've glued the floor pan in. There's really nothing to say there. Let's see. I got the black wash on the grill and on the side pipes here. You can see. Just a few odd and end parts painted. It's no big deal. Let's see. Right there. The main thing I think that I got in here, some more odd and end parts. This is your dash, which I got to detail it. Focus. I got to detail it up. There's your steering box and your radiator, wherever you are at. There's the steering wheel, needs more detail painting. I haven't got the rear end, none of that stuff painted yet. I'm hoping today to get this in primer. And here is the engine. You can see the front of it. That's where the pipes are going to hook to on the side right there on the manifold. See the starter, you know, I picked out some of the details on it. I even wired this sucker up. You can see here, this is the other side of it. Tried to pick out a little bit of detail. Left the engine, I didn't even paint it. The engine's green. I don't know exactly what color green that was on researching it. So I just left it the color that the engine block was molded in, that color green. So it'll be alright. It's small scale. Let's kind of get this thing kind of mocked up here. Let you see with the engine sitting in it. And that firewall on here, I'm going to use a big old piece of chrome foil because the firewalls on these cars were chrome. And you can see it right there sitting in there. Pretty good sized little engine, ain't it? Hopefully today, like I said, I can prime this thing. Let's see if we can get this hood on here real quick. We ain't got this thing but mocked up. Nothing's glued in, but the hood does fit. I've already checked it all out. You can see right there how it'll all fit together. And that's it. That's my update. Just a short, sweet little update. You can see in the background, I got some of the stuff done to Cliff's motorcycle build, but you know, that's another video in itself. So that'll be another time. Alright guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.